Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. In this video, we are going to implement global descriptor table in 64-bit mode, and then we are going to see what paging is and why we need paging, why only one level of paging is not sufficient for us, why we need multi-level of paging. So let's get started into the video. So first of all, I'm gonna focus on writing a 64-bit global descriptor table. Then afterwards, we are going to work on building up this function that I created in the previous video, this setup paging function somewhere over here. Uh, and that is all we are doing in this video, and then we will also jump to long mode, and yeah, that is the plan. So let me first describe the 64-bit global descriptor table. So the only thing that changes in 64-bit or long mode is that the base and limit is completely ignored, and the access byte is same for the code and data segment. The only difference is in the flags, because as you remember, we had a flag called uh, long mode bit, so we need to enable that flag and disable all the granularity. DB flag and result flag is always 0. So that is all we are going to do. So let me first create a boundary over here so that I know this is these two are different things. So I'm just, first of all, I'm gonna just copy this global descriptor table for 64-bit mode, and I'm also gonna create a boundary over here. Now, so okay, so I need to get a different label to all of this. So I'm gonna just put 64, 64, 64, 64, 64, 64, 64. Okay. Okay, now we have done it. So the thing we need to do is, so the null descriptor is perfectly fine. We don't need to poke with it. The only thing is we need to set the limit to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and the base, and this is already 0, so we don't need to do anything. Also, okay, yeah, the limit is over here, so we need to set it as 0 as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, and that is it. And same for the data segment. um, 1, 2, 3, 4, over here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now that we have done that, the thing we need to do is in the difference is in the flags. So let me show you something first. So as you can see, the access byte is similar as I have already told you, but the difference is in the flags. So bit 0 is for reserved and bit 1 is for long mode. So we need to enable this flag, and we can completely ignore DV and granularity flags. So that is what I'm gonna do. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So after this, granularity will be 0, and dv also will be 0, but the long mode each one, and this will be a 0. And same copy paste in the code section as well. 1, 2, 3, 4. So okay, now we have completely made our 64-bit global descriptor table, and as I've told you, it is like really easy to make 64 global descriptor table if you had already made and know the behind scenes of the 32-bit global descriptor table. So I'm gonna check. Okay, this is I have given GDT 64 pointer, so I'm gonna six. Okay, Okay, that is working perfectly fine because in the pointer I have because I had already defined it, so I was just making sure that I have given same name over here. So this will work perfectly fine. Now let's jump into paging. So for the paging, we need to get some idea beforehand in our mind so that we can understand what is going on and why we need virtual memory, what was wrong with the segmentation that we had.